Hey guys, Brian here with Joko Outdoors. I'm here with Marshall today. We're going to be doing some campfire nachos tonight, and we're going to walk you guys through everything. So Marshall's going to be the sous chef today, and he's going to build the nachos up for us. So we're going to go through each step. Um, 2 pounds of ground beef. We've already got ours browned. We've got the Tostitos. We got the bite-sized chips because we like the bite-sized chips, but really any kind of nacho chip would do. Your bean of choice, we like black beans, so that's what we go with, is black beans. And then of course cheese, which Marshall got cheese, but he didn't get the right cheese. Marshall, go grab the full bag. And then me, I like a little bit of hot sauce on mine. I'm a Tabasco guy, I like Tabasco sauce, so I'm going to be putting a little bit of Tabasco sauce on mine. And then of course we'll have our toppings afterwards. The first thing that you want to do is put the nachos inside the pan, or the nacho chips inside the pan, and we're going to spread them out. Pour those inside there for me. Don't spill them. Alright, now we want to spread those out.
It's gonna be enough.
So you just want to come over here and see this? Alright, so 1 bag of chips should be enough. We've got 1 bag of chips right here. Alright, then next, what we're going to do, and I'm going to do this, we're going to take this, I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to let you do it, okay? We're going to take the meat. We've already got our meat seasoned. We're going to get it, we're going to scoop it, and we're just going to kind of shake it all over the place. Alright, Marshall, get a full scoop. I'll hold the pan, you get the scoop. Get a full scoop. Alright, now shake it all over the place. Spread it out. Here. Shake it. You gotta do it evenly. Keep going. You're doing good. We like to get the kids interactive in the camping trip. Helps them enjoy camping. So Marshall has a tendency, he likes to cook sometimes, so I figured why not do campfire nachos. We love nachos. There was one point in time where we would eat nachos once a week. Alright, so we've got that all spread out now. Alright, Marshall, do you like beans? You like black beans? Elijah, do you like black beans? Alright, so we all like black beans, so you're going to spread this evenly, just kind of shake it all throughout. Alright, and we went ahead and drained these beans because they have water in them. So we did go ahead and drain these. If you have kids or family members that don't really like, a whole lot of beans, then you can take it and maybe just put it on half, something like that. So you got 1/2 for you and the other half for your children or the ones that don't like the beans. But we all like beans. So we're going to do that. Next, we're going to take the cheese, and we're going to use 1 full pack of this cheese right here. We're going to spread it out right over the top. Open this up. We use fancy shredded 4 cheese. All right, you hold that open and spread it over the top. Go ahead, spread it. 2 hands, please.
Take your hand in.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. You got to be sanitary about everything. That's just us eating, but if you're cooking for a lot of other people, maybe some friends and stuff, just spread it out with your spatula. So we're going to spread that out. Alright, that's enough cheese right there. Okay, I think we've got all that. Next, we didn't have a covering for the pan, so we're going to use aluminum foil, and hopefully the aluminum foil is going to do what it's supposed to do, because we did get heavy duty non-stick. That's what we're using, is heavy duty non-stick. We're just going to cover the pan. You want to try to get it kind of tight, because we are going to be putting coals on the top. We'll show you that right here in just a minute.
Hopefully they don't burn through.
Well, that's why we're putting them on here tight. And we might even put a layer going across this way to try to help support. See, this is our luck. We always get the aluminum foil that doesn't want to stay in. Elijah, please stay out of the fire. Alright. I think that'll hold. Let's put one layer going this way just to be on the safe side. Put it right down the middle. If you do have a pan lid, definitely works a lot better. They are a lot more sturdy. But we're going to use this for now. That should be good enough. We should be good with that. All right. So what we're going to do, you want to follow me? Move that out of the way for your mom. All right. So we're just going to take the nachos and we're going to set them down right on top of the coals right here. So we're going to set those down right there, just like that. And then we're going to take some other coals, and just try to get some hot coals, pour those on top so that it cooks and kind of melts the cheese. That's really what you're aiming for, is that the cheese melts. I'm going to get some hot coals. If I didn't say it already, you want some hot coals. Put on the top. You're not really cooking this, you're just trying to warm it up so that it melts the cheese and kind of warms the beans up at the same time. So some of the chips on the bottom might get a little brown, but you shouldn't have to cook these things for probably 10 or 15 minutes. Alright guys, so we'll come back to you in about 15 minutes and we will see where this stands and we'll show you all the extra fixings that we're going to put on there.
View of the nachos.
So what are we going to do right here?
We're going to take off all the tape.
And do what? What we're going to show everybody?
Nachos.
How well it cooked. Alright, so it took, I'd say probably roughly 10 to 12 minutes. I don't think it took a full 15. But we're going to open this up. We're going to see what this looks like. Steamy, steamy, steamy. There's actually a little bit right there that we're going to have to get off. Marshall, you want to get that off?
This?
Yep, get that off. Oh yes. Scrape this off, Marshall. Give me that. We actually had some that stuck. We're gonna scrape this off. Again, like I said, roughly 10 to 12 minutes, probably more so around 10 minutes. If you have the lid may not stick like this.
Be quiet, I need to do it. Yummy! Yay!
My lovely wife behind the camera. Alright, so now that we got that, watch out, hold on, stop, don't touch it.
Hot. It's hot.
It looks very good. Alright, so next we're going to open up the pico de gallo. So this is, he thought it was pina colada. No, we do not drink alcohol in this family.
No, I thought that was.
No, pina colada is an alcoholic drink.
Pico de gallo.
Alright, so we're going to add the pico de gallo. Pretty much it's just tomatoes, onions, green bell peppers.
What is it?
So it's like parsley and stuff like that.
Cilantro.
Yeah, cilantro, there you go. Alright, Marshall, take this and just spread it out throughout there. You might have to dump it and spread it with the spatula. Here, spread it with the spatula. That's alright. Sous Chef Marshall.
This is how we do it.
Spread it like this.
We're not making sushi, we're making nachos.
Sous Chef Marshall.
Elijah,
Sushi Marshall. That's
Elijah, please get out of behind me.
Alright, so we got our pico de gallo spread out. Now we're going to take, let me get my knife. Where's my knife in my pocket?
Yep, always.
I always try to keep my knife with me. Just about anywhere I go. Very rarely do I have it. I'm gonna open this
Very
up.
rarely do you not have it.
Yeah, sorry. Very rarely do I not have it. Alright, Marshall. Spread that out. We're not going to use all of it. But I'm going to save some for the hamburgers. Alright, so we're going to spread this out too.
Why don't we let everybody get their own sour cream?
Yeah, that's fine. And so what we're going to do, I like guacamole, so we got individual packs of guacamole for those that want it. We're going to let everybody get their own sour cream. And typically, what would probably work better is the squeeze tube of sour cream, so you can just squeeze it out over it. And then of course I'm going to use my Tabasco sauce.
We'll make another one for you.
But that's it, guys. That is Campfire Nachos with Sushi Chef Marshall here.
Sushi chef.
And
Alright,
and
we'll
I think
get,
he did a fantastic job.
get one last.
Hope you guys enjoy this because we sure are. Go ahead and get you a bite, Marshall. Tell everybody what you think. Get you a good bite. What you think, Sushi Chef Marshall? He gives it a thumbs up. We're gonna go with a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, post a comment below,
And
subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks, and remember, this is God's country.
Dear Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for our givers. Thank you for this food and nourishment for our bodies for your service. In Jesus' name, amen.